All right, folks, so I'm going to give you three molecules. So the first molecule is NH3. What I want you to do is I want you to give me the geometry on this one, and I want you to tell me if it's a dipole or not and to which side the electrons are being pulled. Remember, dipoles are important now because we're going to be talking about intermolecular bonding, and you need to understand if you're going to have strong or weak bonds depending on if you have a dipole. The second molecule that I want you to diagram and tell me what the geometry is of the central atom is the compound COS. This is kind of weird because there's three elements. The O and the S are very similar to each other. They're in the same column. Carbon is your central atom here. And then finally, this was a tricky one because there is no central atom. There's, in essence, two central atoms. Two carbons, two hydrogens, and two chlorines. There's going to be a double bond in here as well. So what we can say, as I showed you in class today, you can talk about not there being just one central atom, but multiple central atoms, but you have to indicate which one is which. So you can call it carbon 1 when you do your AXE, and you can call it carbon 2 when you do the AXE. So I also, on this one, I want you to tell me if it's a dipole or not as well.